Hello everyone. Today we have to practice the diagram of human respiratory system, that is of class 10th biology. So let's start the diagram. So no need to make human body, we have to make the internal parts here. So firstly we have to make this circle. Okay. Now this pipe we have to make in this diagram. Now this pipe goes beneath this. Okay, this is called nasal cavity. This is called nasal cavity, right? And here this is called pharynx, as we have do pharynx in human digestive system also. Okay guys, now we have to make further. This is called larynx, also we called sound pipe. Okay, now this here is called epiglottis. This is called epiglottis, which is also known as flap. Okay, this epiglottis is also known as flap. Now we further make this pipe. Now there are rings here. These are rings. Okay, and this pipe, whole pipe is known as trachea, or we can say trachea. As you have further read that food pipe is known as esophagus and the windpipe is known as trachea, or we can say trachea. This is called windpipe, trachea. And these rings, as you see here, these rings are known as cartilage. These rings are known as cartilage. Okay, now this pipe is divided into two parts. Okay, so these parts you have to make like this. Okay, now this part is of first lever and this part is of second lever. So firstly we have to make the first lung, sorry, not lever, we have to make here lung. So lung shape is this, like this. Okay, any shape or curving you can made here. Okay, and there are some coverings, outermost covering at this lung, so you have to make here the outermost covering of liver. Okay, so and this part is over here and divides into 2 or 3 parts mainly. Okay, these you have to make like this here. Okay, and there are some linings here also, you have to make here like this. Okay, and here is diaphragm, we have to make it after some time. Now we have to make the second one. Noted students, we have to make this lung smaller than this one, and this lung is known as right lung, and this we will make is known as left lung. Okay, so we have to make smaller than this. Okay, you can make this shape as this. This is smaller than this. Okay, and this outermost covering of lung, this is the outermost covering, and here these coverings. Okay, and here you have to divide it and make like this. Okay, these are coverings. Okay, this part is known as bronchi. Okay, these are ribs, and this covering part is known as alveoli. Okay, and this outermost covering of lung is known as pleura. Okay, and this one is diaphragm. And guys, you have to mind it that heart is attached to our left lung, not to right lung. Okay, so this part is of heart which is attached to left lung. Okay, so this part is of heart. No need to make, but this is of your knowledge. Okay, so this one is right lung, and this one is left lung. Okay guys, and guys, note it, this alveoli is the functional unit of lungs. Okay guys, and also you have to know what is the difference between right lung and the left lung. Okay, these are very important. So right lung is broader than left lung, and left lung is narrow than right lung. Right lung, it will be bigger in size, and left lung, it will be smaller in size. Okay, it is heavier in weight. Right lung is heavier in weight, but the left lung is lighter in weight. Okay, and the heart is attached to left lung. So guys, this is our whole diagram of human respiratory system. That's of chapter 6 biology, class 10th. You have to practice it. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.